Hello friends, and welcome to my channel Power of Spirituality. In this video we will talk about a small prayer which can help you subconsciously change any of your habits. And we will also talk about why you need to be patient during the whole process. My name is Ankit Verma, and since my recovery from brain tumor 3 years ago, I am on the spiritual path. And my motto behind making this channel is to convey my learnings to everyone on this path so that they can also benefit from the same. Let me ask you one question. Are you tired of your negative habits, your bad habits? Are you desperate in getting rid of them? Right now I want you to take one step back and tell me, did you acquire these habits overnight or these habits grew inside you as you kept growing yourself? No habit is formed in a single day. In fact, whatever habits you are having right now, they are a result of continuous implementation and continuous efforts, even the bad ones. Just take an example. Would you be able to imagine that right now you have some good habits and once you wake up tomorrow you will have automatically acquired a lot of bad habits? That's not going to happen, right? Habits comes with practice. If you want to change your habit, just practice the new habit that you want to cultivate in yourself. Now answer me one thing. Have you find it difficult to change your habit despite constant efforts? This is because you are trying to change your habit only at conscious mind level. But in reality, your habit is imprinted on your subconscious mind. So, to change a habit, you will have to impress your subconscious mind so that the habit is automatically removed from it and also from your behavior and day-to-day routine. Now the question arises, how do you change a habit? Now there are many methods out in the market. You have NLP, you have hypnosis, you have many other random techniques that you can try. But the most easiest technique that I have encountered is if you transfer your burden of changing the habit to God. You can relate this activity with an example where you are carrying a huge boulder on your shoulder and walking around, and once you throw the boulder up towards the sky, towards the outside the gravity field, it becomes lightweight, right? You are no longer carrying the burden of that boulder. The prayer that we are going to discuss in this video does exactly that for you. It transfers the burden of changing the habit that you are carrying to up towards the God, and you are free, happy-go-lucky kind of guy now. Let me give you an example of how you can use this prayer to remove the feeling of anger inside you, the bad habit of getting angry. So the prayer is, I now cast the burden of anger inside me, cast the burden of changing the anger inside me to the God within me, and I let go completely with love. I move on to be peaceful, happy, compassionate. I will now achieve happiness or receive its equivalent. Do this prayer whenever you feel like the anger is taking over you. And you can try this prayer with any other habit you are having. Whenever you feel like you need someone to help you change that habit, pray to God. And definitely help will arrive your way. Now a small thing that you can do in parallel is to practice the new habit that you want to cultivate in yourself. I know, I just said that you cannot achieve it with conscious efforts, but it is still worth trying. Keep trying the new practice in parallel with this prayer. For example, if you hate your boss, but you don't want to hate your boss, you don't find it useful, or you think, I don't know, it is not serving my soul, right? Just outside, in the physical sense, stop hating your boss. Whenever you meet your boss, smile, say hello, wish good luck, wish good morning, good health, peace of mind. Start practicing this today, it's worth it. Now coming back to one important question. How much time will it take for a habit to change? Before I answer that question, I want you to look at your habit that you want to change and you let me know how long did you took to develop that habit. The answer to the question that how long will it take? It will happen when the time is right. Your responsibility is to keep trying, keep praying, and be in the moment. That's all it takes. How to be in the moment, I have created a video for it. The link you will find in the description below. Just remember one thing. Having a bad habit does not make you a bad person. I know you will have queries for me now, and I would love to answer them for you. Just leave your queries in the comment section below, and I will try to respond to each and every one of you. Also, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you keep updated of all the upcoming videos in my channel. My aim is to change 100 lives this year, and you can be a part of this mission by sharing this video with everyone whom you think can benefit from. Thank you for taking this journey with me. May you have all the peace, love and happiness in you. Thank you very much.